Welcome to Organic Chemistry 2 lecture. In effort to save some time because there were no classes on Monday, I'm going to make one video about the syllabus and a second video about chapter 14. So here you can see is the video on the syllabus. Our lectures are going to be Monday and Thursday from 8:30 to 9:45. This is supposed to be AM. We'll be having lecture in Science Room 11. I'm the instructor, Dr. Charleboy. My office is Science Room 12. It's right at the top of the stairs. My office phone number is here, and my email is here. I encourage you to attend office hours for any clarification from lecture material, Monday and Thursday right after class, 10 to 12, and Thursday from 4 to 5, or of course by appointment if none of those times work for you. If you need to get a hold of me and you can't, you can always reach out to the administrative assistant, Camilla. She's in room 11B. There's her phone number and her email. The required course materials are Organic Chemistry, should be the 7th edition, written by Paula Bruce. There's the ISBN. Most of you have it from Organic 1. Also a model kit. Again, most of you have that. The study guide is optional. The book Pushing Electrons is optional. And this semester, I'm requiring that you purchase the official ACS study guide, and then you're going to be purchasing that online using this link. And that gives us practice exams to gear up for our ACS certified final exam at the end of the semester. The learning outcomes for this course include learning about carbon, looking at reactivity and three-dimensionality of the molecules, looking at different mechanisms, continue to learn how to do synthesis of organic molecules, and looking at spectroscopy data in order to interpret the results. In effect, this course is just a continuation of Organic 1. We're just going to get into more depth and learn a lot more reactions. In order for me to give you a grade, I have to evaluate you, and that evaluation will come from 4 hourly exams and a final. Each one will be cumulative, and there will be no makeup exams. All excused absences must be approved by the Dean of Students. There are no quizzes in this course. No quizzes. The homework counts double compared to last semester. So there's no quizzes. The homework problems will be due in recitation, and they're going to count twice as much as they did last semester. So in the next slide, we'll see how that is. Participation points will be given for both attendance and your participation in both lecture and recitation. If college is open, class will meet. And I do deduct 5 points on an exam if I see you use your cell phone during lecture. Here's how the points are divvied up. For a total of 650 points for the course, you get 50 points for attendance and participation. And I do take attendance at every lecture and recitation. Homework is worth 100 points this semester. You can bet that when I ask you to walk up and put your homework problem on the board in recitation, that if you're not ready to go with the question I assign you, then you'll lose the credit for that day. There's going to be 4 exams, each worth 100 points. And then the ACS final given during exam week on May 11th will also be worth 100 points. Just like in most classes, a 90% or higher is either an A or an A minus. An 80% or higher is either a B plus, a B, or a B minus. 70 or higher is some form of a C. 60 or higher is some form of a D. And below 60 is an F. These cutoffs are guaranteed. However, the grades may be curved up if warranted. You must be registered for one of my recitations. That's Chem 2266, 31, 32, or 33. They start at either 8:30, 9:30, or 12:10 on Wednesdays. Note that in WebAdvisor, it says that the second recitation starts at 9:20. That's a misprint. The second recitation starts at 9:30. That's all in S9, and hopefully the new blackboards will have been installed by the time class starts. Please do your own work. I do not tolerate any form of academic dishonesty at all, and if caught, I will pursue the punishment as described in the academic integrity policy in the FDU student handbook. The final drop ad is Monday, February 9th, and the last day to withdraw from classes is Friday, April 10th. Here's just the very beginning of the tentative lecture schedule to show you what we're going to be doing up until the first exam. So, because classes were canceled on 1/26, we are going to do the syllabus by video. We're also going to do mass spectrometry by video. That's chapter 14. Here are the suggested homework problems for chapter 14 that will be due on Wednesday this week in recitation, 128, assuming we have class. Chapter 11 will be covered on Thursday, 12 next Monday, and 13 next Thursday. So you see that our first exam is already going to be on the 12th of February. So we're going to need to really just jump right in and get started in organic chemistry. The keys to success in chemistry are easily stated but very difficult to implement, as I'm sure you learned in Organic 1. You have to keep up with the work on a daily basis. You have to learn the material, not memorize. It's imperative that you read the textbook, review your notes, and go to class and recitation. You have to do the homework problems, and you have to practice and practice and practice. This semester, I will also be incorporating the use of videos into the lecture, but there will be no quizzes. So the videos are going to just supplement the lecture and in some cases help you with some problem solving. So for this semester, there'll be no quizzes. However, watch the videos as you may be gaining information in the videos that are not in lecture. And of course, if you are a student with documented disabilities, definitely let me know and provide any paperwork necessary for you to get the accommodations that you need. Thank you. I'm looking forward to a great semester. This is definitely weird going over the syllabus by video, but I'm also happy that I had a snow day. So there you have it, and I will see you all on Wednesday with the homework from chapter 14, and be ready to put a question or two on the board for me and describe it to the class. Thanks. See ya.